So told y'all, told y'all I was gonna keep y'all with me on this journey. Um, just got the screen print machine in. I have to put it together now. Through the reviews I seen, look like I'm gonna have my hands full for a little while. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat lunch first. Get everything situated so I can just go ahead and lock in and get this thing put together. But yeah, I don't even know how much space I'm gonna need. I didn't redid my whole area to kind of make space for this new machine and new journey that I'm about to get on. But ain't too much talking. Next time y'all hear from me, I'ma have it and I'm gonna be getting my screens going because the screens are already. I didn't check them, but put the emotion on 'em yesterday. They definitely probably dry. And go from there. Let's get it.